Trials on Tatooine. Star Wars Rebellion. Star Wars Rouge Squadron 3D. Star Wars X-Wing vs. TIE Fighter. Star Wars X-Wing. Star Wars The Force Unleashed Roman 2. Star Wars Shadows of the Empire. Star Wars TIE Fighter. Star Wars Empire at War. Lego Star Wars The Complete Saga. Star Wars Republic Commando. Star Wars Jedi Knight Roman 2 Jedi Outcast. Star Wars Jedi Knight Jedi Academy. Star Wars Battlefront Roman 2. Star Wars Knights of the Old Republic Roman 2 The Sith Lords. Star Wars Knights of the Old Republic.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.